Today I had a court appearance where I represented a child in the middle of a divorce. So in New York, there are attorneys for parents, husband, father, wife, mother, right? They're fighting each other over money. That's property, bank account money, pension, retirement accounts. Then they fight each other over the child, how to share parenting time, whether or not visitation should take place. They'll fight over the payment of child support, what it should be based on, and maintenance. Other parts of the country, we might call that alimony. Even the movies, right? Alimony. In New York, we call it spousal maintenance. So this is a pre-pandemic case that's still floating around. There have been maybe 12, 13 court appearances, and the parties are still significantly at odds with each other. And there's almost no issue not at issue, not in a contest. They can't come to terms with each other on nearly anything. What can we do? What can we do? Well, most of these appearances have been virtual. And what the judge said today is that we're going to have one more appearance, and then I'm scheduling it for trial. And the one more appearance will be in person, and then there'll be a trial. Now, in advance of the trial, hopefully some issues can get resolved. But we're still in this discovery phase, even all of this time, and even after all of this time. And in many ways, the discovery, the information that each side has to supply to the other will be a never-ending story, because just today, and we're in July, information has to be shared about the annual salaries from 2021, right? Taxes were only due in April. There's W-2s, taxes, tax returns, things to figure out. Now the parents have to exchange that information. So the longer the case goes, the more frequent the need to exchange information. So we're on a hamster wheel right now. What's the takeaway? Try to mediate your disputes. Come to terms with the other side. Give up a little. Maybe you don't need, 10 of something. You can do with 8. I don't know if that example makes sense. Give a little. Concede a point or two. Don't try and win at all costs. At least for today, those are the takeaways.